In this video, we will learn how to multiply and divide rational expressions. When we divide and multiply non-algebraic expressions such as 3 divided by 5 multiplied by -2 over 9, what we do is we first divide the common factors such as 3 and 9. So 3 times 1, 3 times 3, and then we multiply. So the numerator will be -2. 5 times 3, that is 15. That is our answer for this one. But how about when we have algebraic expressions in that? We have variables such as 3x squared divided by 2y multiplied by 4y cube, or to the power of 3 over 3x. As you can see, with the numbers 3 and 3 is common and 2 and 4 is common. Okay, and we can, before we simplify anything, we can write 3x squared, this one, 3 times x, right? This is just the same way, writing 3x squared over 2y times 4y 3 times, right, over 3x. Now it will be much easier to explain. So we will cancel this 2 times 1, this cancel with 2, this y gets cancelled, this y gets cancelled. So we have 2 y's left in the numerator, this 3 gets cancelled, this x and this x. Now we can see what is left. We have this x left, okay, we have this 2 in the numerator, so 2x, and 2 y's are left, so y squared. And what is in the denominator? Well, nothing is left, everything is gone. So this is our answer for this one. Let's take a look at one more example to explain. Let's say we have -2a cube b square divided by 3x cube y times 4a square x divided by 5b square y cube. Again, don't get confused with so many different variables and numbers. The process is still the same. Okay, so when we multiply, as you can clearly see, we have b square over here and b square here. So these two gets cancelled right away. Before I write the next simplification, I will write this remaining numbers so you can see it clearly. We have -2a cube left divided by 3x cube y times 4a square x divided by 5y cube. This will be much better. Okay, and now we can simply multiply, because you can see a cube is in the numerator but there is nothing in the denominator. Simply the same way for x and y, there is nothing in the numerator except for this x. See, you can see x cube, and over here we have simply x, and when these two gets cancelled, we are left with only x square, and this x gets cancelled. So now we will multiply. We have -2 times 4, that is -8, a cube and a square, that multiply, we get a to the power 5, because remember, when we have a same base, like this is our problem, this simply means a to the power of 3 plus 2, that is a to the power 5. Okay, so for the denominator it will be 3 times 5, that's 15, and x square, and again for y over here and y cube, that becomes y to the power 4. Okay, let's take a look at one last example. We have x minus 2 times 3 divided by x square minus 2x. Okay, so over here, before we do any simplification, we can take something common over here, that is x minus 2 will remain the same, times 3. Over here we will take x as common, inside will be x minus 2, right, because x times x, that is x square, and x minus 2, that is minus or -2x. So this x minus 2 and this x minus 2 gets cancelled. We are left with 3 over x, and this is our final answer.